One of the most worrisome challenges faced by a brewer is the risk of microbial spoilage, which can lead to the destruction of batches worth tens of thousands of euros, or even worse, to the release of bad product into trade that can impact the brand negatively. That is why cleaning is probably one of the most important operations to get right in a brewery. At the same time, there is a big focus on sustainability and on reduction of water usage and the usage of cleaning chemicals. It's of utmost importance to select efficient tank cleaning machines that on the one hand make sure that the tanks are meticulously clean, but at the same time minimizing water and chemical consumption. To meet that challenge, Alfa Laval launched the Alfa Laval TJ40G rotary jet head tank cleaning machine 2 years ago at Brau. The TJ40G rotary jet head tank cleaning machine is the most hygienic tank cleaning machine on the market for cleaning of large-scale brewery and beverage tanks. It relies on cleaning by high mechanical impact jets, and it has an optimized cleaning pattern that allows reduction of water and cleaning chemicals, and leading to running cost reductions of up to 70% compared to static spray balls. Now we are taking this to the next level, and we are very excited to launch the new Alfa Laval TJ40G machine in a special patented burst cleaning version that is of particular interest when cleaning fermentation tanks. A standard technique when cleaning fermentation tanks is to apply a shot, or a burst it's also called, of caustic onto the area of the tank where the yeast is deposited, and then let it soak to dissolve the organic matter. Now the TJ40G machine in this burst version, it has specially designed nozzles with a slit cut into it. So this feature allows wetting of the tank surface very fast and with less caustic usage. So the advantage for the brewer is less use of caustic while still maintaining high mechanical impact cleaning and a very high level of hygiene.